So even though you will hear me talk about GIS maps in this lesson, what I really mean by GIS maps is GIS database. Now there is a subtle but very important distinction between the two. That is because GIS maps are only good for looking at, but a GIS database can be used for spatial analyses as well. So when you look at a GIS map, you can understand visually what's going on in it. So in this example, I have a polygon called sand and another polygon called beach, and there's another polygon called river in between them. Now it looks logical as a map, but looks can be deceptive. Now there are two parts to this. The first part relates to databases. Now in this map, sand and beach would be understood to be different things in a GIS database. So for example, if you were to GIS query, show me all areas that are beach, you would only get this polygon here. And if you were to GIS query, show me all areas that are sand, you'll only get this polygon here. What you need is for both polygons to be called sand or both polygons to be called beach. So imagine this type of error over a large and complex GIS map. And really, if you can't imagine it, just trust me, such GIS maps are useless for GIS analyses. Now the second part relates to geography. Geographically, the park and the river polygons overlap. Assuming you've got the database aspect of your GIS map right, this map would work just fine for a thematic mapping exercise. And that's thematic mappings where all beaches would be shaded yellow and all parks shaded green and so forth. However, a geographical query such as how many acres of parkland are there would return the wrong answer. Because the park overlaps the river, there would appear to be many more acres of park than there actually was. Now there are many other types of geographical error too. This example is just the tip of the iceberg. So in this course, the focus will be on showing you how to digitize a GIS database. And by that, I mean a GIS map that produces valid database query results and valid geographical query results.